Take a minute, let's mismanage our time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm
It's National Gallery of Canada. It's around May 28, 6:41 p.m. Sussex Road or Sussex Street. The Basilica Church, Notre Dame. It's Thursday today, so Freedom Museum, 5 to 8 p.m. We'll try it.
Tuklasin.
We'll check.
Sinerch na namin to yung
If it's
it's called Mama.
round 2.
2.
Para kailangan ko linisin ng lens. Yung trivia about the Maman.
Yung oras muna.
Time. Yeah, Thursday, 9:32. 9:32, 300 or 8. Maman. Thank you.
Starting here.
Okay, up the ramp.
See you later.
So don't forget to wear the sticker.
Yeah.
Put
The-
anywhere that's visible.
Visible sa akin sa noo.
Okay.
Joke lang. Ayan o. Ayan din ang
feeling some
Bless.
type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay.
Ating tuklasin part 2. Maliwanag pa pero it's almost
7.
Yeah, 6:30 p.m. Here at downtown Ottawa. Miss Medjoski kasi
I think here. Yeah,
the
here.
green one yung sa dati natin.
Sa down.
Pinakataas
Andito yung
US Museum.
US. Ito sa part na to.
We can start here.
So we can start here.
Or that way.
Here.
Wow! Ang dami pala, nako. A trip. Wow!
Take a minute, let's mismanage our time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm focused on mine. There's only one thing, baby, that I really need to know. Down, up, down. Come on, baby, let's go. You were worried about it.
Ito naman, see?
Parang yung sa kay...
Yung sa mga...
Sa church.
Ang dilim ng ano niya. Isipin niyo ka trippers, kami puro plano kami dun sa Manila Museum. Nakaalis na lang kami.
English, French. Yung pangalan niya lang talaga, French.
Maulawakan yung painting.
Mga belongings niya yata to ga eh. No? The use of snuff in Quebec is documented from the mid-1700s.
Seriously.
Cornelius. Jericho. Iping. Ito pa oh. Minintay nila yung room na to.
kami dyan.
George, logging. Kaya marami kaming nakakarga na logs dito sa Canada ka-trippers. Sila talaga. Ano to? Sculptured. Tingnan mo. Ano tong area na to ga? Sa Indigenous?
Ano? Kasi ang una natin pinasok ay
Michael and Sonja Cornu Family Atrium.
siya ay si yung side na yun.
You can let it slide. Take 'em off of your mind and let's take a
Paano kaya ito napipresent? Kasi yung temperature niya yung ay, Algonquin artist, oh. Canoe. School mo? Ang ganda na pa pala.
Sana tayo banda.
Ang ganda.
Meron pa sa US na ano guys.
Yeah. Isang pa. Ano niya si ano? Matt Damon. Kasi ano.
take a minute, let's mismanage your time. It's getting hot.
Ito
Ito is what I
minute.
want. Je vous découvre.
Na-preserve nila since 1912.
Je. Ito yung Michael and Sonja.
Ako, Canadian na to, naiinitan na siya. Tinan mo. Si Jan Lehman. Young woman combing hair. Ito naman yung art nito. I think nude. Sa itsura pa lang. I think nude. Yung paint naman nito.
The farmer's daughter.
Where this? Prudence Hayward.
Your friend, turn it up again. Baby, I know you said
See?
Bien. Ito talaga pwedeng paupuan.
Abstract painting.
Ito maliwanag kasi ito eh.
okay, okay.
Kala ko lang plastic pero totoo pala.
Totoo lahat siya.
Mhm.
Kasi Kailangan. Saan tayo ba?
Sige. Fox.
Ang sabi mo, Borgia. Ay, Marian Archives sa baba.
Pwede ka dito na way, ka-trippers. Say this way.
Trippers naman ako Kaya pala 5 to 8. Almost 3 hours po pala ito
Explore.
mali ako.
Kasi magbabasa ka pa ng mga art pieces
Yeah,
mga painting. So sinasabi niya, for 3 hours.
Yeah.
Hindi naman agad-agad yan magsasara. Pero sa laki ng National Gallery na to, hindi yan matatapos agad. And
Niyaya niya ako, kaso
very important part, washroom. Whoa. Baby AJ, your friend.
I'm here to stay. Okay, okay. No time, no waste.
French with English. Ayan siya.
So 500 yan?
Lapit mo.
Wow.
Take a minute, let's mismanage your time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm focused on mine. There's only one thing,
Ibang parts ng ano ba? Iba-ibang parts. Ka-trippers, as per explanation dun, ayan yung different kinds ng suns ng earth na kinolect ng artist. Ang dami pala niya. Di ba?
And it's 500.
Iba-ibang
Sylvia
lugar siguro.
Safdie. Ayun siya. Dead Stone.
Siya pa rin ba?
Yeah, Sylvia.
Kasi yung kinokollect niya parang
Parang-
na gano'n.
Mm-mm.
Parang paa ng tao. Nakabura.
Hindi, sometimes yung ano yan say sa waves. May bakal yung isa.
Ay, hindi. Para makatayo.
Maybe, yeah.
Meron pa siya dun.
Ga. Ito siguro yung kutsilyo nila before. Yung ano na mga...
Explanation. Yung sama dun. Take me. Yung horror ng Australia. Take me.
Coconut husk to Tingnan mo. Mga caveman. Alam mo yon? Tingnan mo human face.
Ang ganda ng kamala.
The body is the most personal place that I can express from. Our gesture in the present connects us to the past and to the future. Yes, and Canadian. And then, next namin, pinuntahan ang contemporary arts and pieces.
At ito
Art.
isang amazing, oh.
Sensor.
Wave na lang.
Yeah, that's washroom.
Amazing.
So we're done here a while ago. Piglet. Nag-connect lang tayo.
Explain about this chair.
So if you want to enjoy the art piece, you can sit here anytime you want. So you have all the time to sit here, just focus on that art.
I thought it was included with the art.
Yeah, and there's always a sign, please do not touch. Saying, no. This is what I'm saying, that please do not touch extreme project. So we're thinking that even the chair, we cannot touch that. Let's proceed to other part.
Hanap naman tayo.
No, we're not done yet. Look at the map.
US art naman.
Please do not touch again. Donald Sobey family. Ang laking company itong Sobey. Owner ng Freshco. Oh.
Baby, I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide. Take 'em off of your mind and let's take a ride. Got me feeling some type of way.
Modern part. The evolutions of television. There's no flat screen. Tingnan mo, oh, yung stack of clothes. Tingnan mo yung stack of clothes. Parang alam mo yun yung mga sa war na nangyari. Liz Maggers. Ang effort ga, oh. Alam mo, dagat to. It's like a dance hall. A photo of oak. Photos of sea or oceans, and it was stuck like post-it. This is another art. Micah Stubbs, A Life of Its Own.
Pagkagawin siya. Right behind.
Tingnan mo yung painting. Si Gavin, untitled Beaver Dam. The whale. Jacobosi. Yung detail.
Again, baby, I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide. Take 'em off of your mind and let's take a ride. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay. Got me feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay.
Yeah, so this one. Going
Oh,
up
wow.
now.
Know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay. Okay. Got me.
Is this?
Let's go.
Ba't hindi masasira yung ano dun? 72 na. Pinakalikod parang yung map na yan. Yeah.
Between the here and now, lived experience and the ideals of distance which creates and maintains desire. The first maneuver may suppress the growth and expression of self in favor of collective solution. But by the second, humanity is self is what's going to happen in the future. We can abandon
Because
Ayun ang
a vending
in-expect ko.
machine before.
In-expect ko yung ganyan, yung mga old. Pati yung open naman.
Buluba. Uy, ito na yung buluba ni Ate Vibs. So, shout out Ate Vibs. Mahal yan, yung brand ng relo niya. Buluba. And look at this. 24 giant size package value. So,
Yan siguro yung dati yan, no?
siguro. Siguro pag may ganito kang bed, ano na.
Parang si Kardashian nito.
Oo nga.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. No time to waste. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Take a minute, let's mismanage our time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm focused on mine. There's only one.
Kaya pala. Nalibot namin.
Kung hindi ka magbabasa,
Oh. Pero pag lahat yun, ipapasok namin yung trivia.
anong
Matagal yun, ang
trivia?
dami.
Yung
nun.
mga
Oo.
information.
Information ng kada painting.
Di naman ganda ng ano, yung sa in-between.
Oh.
Sige. Later again. 55. We're leaving Katripers. It's already 7:47. And if you siguro pag marunong kang mag-paint or you want to contribute or donate here, pwede accept nila. Siguro. Not sure. Ayan na ga, oh. Ganda, oh.
Oh, sa gabi.
So, another view. Dito yung main entrance. Ang daming ano, connect-connect. So, hindi ka talaga maliligaw actually. Pwede na kami mamasyal-masyal outside. Tulips, kung mayroon pang tulips. Sa Major Hills Park. Ayan o. Ay, dedo na eh.
Pinagpapakain ng squirrel.
Next time again, get Creepers. Thank you to all our subscribers.
Ito naman nakakasyon natin sa ito.
Yung information desk nila, souvenir, at kung may mga vest kayo, pwedeng iwan dun sa side. If you have tip, donate lang.
No time to waste. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay.